In this video, I will be guiding you guys on how to connect iPad to a Brother printer. So let's get started. First thing, we need to check the AirPrint is supported to your Brother printer. But well, most modern Brother printers support AirPrint, which works natively with iPad. If your printer supports AirPrint, you won't need any extra apps. Now, make sure your iPad and the Brother printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Okay. And if they are on different networks, the printer won't show up because then AirPrint can detect your printer. Now let's actually print something. So let's go ahead maybe to your notes. Let me search notes up right there. Okay. So right, maybe let's go to your notes and let's say I have this random note right here. You want to click on the share button and you want to scroll down till you find print, right? You want to click on print and you'll find this pop-up appearing and where you can go ahead and select your printer, and once you do that, your Brother printer should show up here if everything worked right. If your AirPrint has if your printer has AirPrint and if it's connected to the same Wi-Fi as the iPad, it should show up here in a few seconds. And well, this is the fastest way. But if your printer doesn't appear, then Brother has a free app called Brother iPrint and Scan. You're gonna go ahead to your app store. You're gonna go ahead and search Brother iPrint and Scan, and you're gonna go ahead and download this app, and it's gonna ask you to search for your printer. Let's see. So yeah, I click that. It's asking me that the application needs to select a device. So I'm going to go ahead and select now. And again, oops. So now you're going to find your printer here if it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Even if it doesn't has AirPrint, it will still show up here, but make sure your printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. And from here on, you can go ahead and print documents once connected, or maybe photos, and even scan directly to your iPad. But if the printer still doesn't show up, then try restarting the printer, maybe restart Wi-Fi on the iPad, and make sure the printer firmware is up to date. You can't connect most Brother printers directly on an iPad using a USB cable. Wireless printing is how iPads are designed to work. So yeah, connecting an iPad to a Brother printer is actually really easy. If AirPrint works, you're done in seconds. If not, Brother's free apps has you covered. Once both sides are on the same Wi-Fi, printing from iPad is basically one tap, and that's it, you're good to go. So anyways guys, that'll be for this video. I hope it helps you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.